Hi, if you need to backup data on Samsung Galaxy S25, then go in your phone settings and from here find and choose this tab Accounts and Backup. After that, you can pick to backup data into Samsung Cloud or backup data in Google Drive. I'm gonna do it in Google Drive, so tap it. And here, enable automatic backups by Google One by tapping on the switcher, so it will light up blue. And then you can go in backup details, choose your apps, or choose your photos and videos and enable backup for your photos and videos and tap get started. Then go back and do the same for your messages, for call history, device settings, and so on. And additionally, you can enable backup using mobile data. And also you can tap here and enable your contacts, calendar, drive, and Gmail. And right now, to perform backup, just tap this blue button, then draw your current pattern. And now it is backing up your data. And here you can see that device backs up automatically over Wi-Fi after it's been idle and charging for 2 hours. And that's all for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.